Ọ̀yọ́ state governor ṣe fídíò kan lánàá gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ nínú fídíò yẹn orí bàbá Sunday Igboho ló dá lé instead for you to treat the situation mo ń bá o máa play fídíò yẹn fún yín o ẹ wá ń sọ wípé àwọn kan o wọ́n lọ ń disturb àwọn kan nínú vicinity wípé àwọn unauthorized people yes sir kó tó di pé mo sọ anything ẹ kọ́kọ́ wo fídíò yìí ná.
They are good people of Oyo State. The past few weeks' events have made it imperative that I address issues that have to do with the internal security of our dear state. Barely a week ago, I had cause to call out members of the press who were allowing themselves to be used to stoke ethnic tensions among the good people of Oyo State. There have been stories in the press targeted at exaggerating the security situation in the state. However, we cannot overlook the fact that there have indeed been instances that cause concern. The fragile peace between the herdsmen and farmers in Okebun is being threatened. Individuals who are not authorized are going around chasing people from their homes and causing mayhem. This assault on residents of Oyo State is not the way to further the Yoruba cause. Let me state that we shall not sit back and watch anyone make any law-abiding residents of Oyo State feel unsafe in their homes, farms, or business places. We are aware of some people circulating flyers and giving people ultimatums to leave their land. This is totally unacceptable and will not be condoned. The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, which I swore to defend and protect, guarantees freedom of movement in Section 41(1), such that citizens are free to reside in any part of the country without fear. We're determined to preserve that right in Oyo State. Therefore, I'm calling on any individuals or groups planning to take any actions that will lead to the forcible removal of anyone from Oyo State to desist from taking such actions. Any persons who fail to abide by this directive will face the full wrath of the law. All local government and local council development area chairpersons are directed to work with the traditional rulers and the officers of the security agencies to ensure that peace is maintained.
First thing, ṣé bàbá Sunday Igboho sọ wípé àwọn fẹ́ lé àwọn Fúlàní kúrò l'Ọ́yọ́ state ni? Gbogbo wa la rí fídíò bí tí bàbá Sunday Igboho ti sọ̀rọ̀ tó ti lọ bá àwọn Fúlàní sọ̀rọ̀. According to him, mo play video yẹn gan. He said that tẹ́yin Fúlàní tẹ́ ẹ bá ti ready láti gbé pẹ̀lú wa pẹ̀lú àlàáfíà kò sí wàhálà. But once tá a bá gbọ́ wípé kidnapping continue, no, we will not take it lightly with you. That was what he told all those Fulanis. I will not say no problem. Yes, sir. Now, I want you guys to understand something. It's by the order of the president of Nigeria. In your President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Gbogbo igbó tí Baba Sunday Igboho ń wọ̀. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá, sójà, DSS, wọ́n approve. Even àwọn ọlọ́pàá àtàwọn sójà, wọ́n tẹ̀lé wọn wọgbó. These are the videos. Wọ́n tẹ̀lé wọn. The recent operation tí wọ́n lọ ṣe tó fi rescue woman tí wọ́n kidnap ní kí náà pè ní Ìgbòho. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi sà, ṣé ń gbọ́ mi mà? Àwọn ọlọ́pàá àtàwọn sójà náà jọ iṣẹ́ yẹn o àti àwọn Baba Sunday Igboho. According to report tí Mr. Wisdom fún wa, wọ́n ní pé from A to Z, wọ́n ní àwọn ọlọ́pàá gan ni wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn jù. Kó tó wá di pé wọ́n padà pè àwọn because àwọn ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n track wọn tí wọ́n fi ṣe ògbó iṣẹ́ tán. Even according to report, Mr. Wisdom sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ní wípé ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá ní Abuja ìyẹn IG of police wọ́n fún wọn ní go ahead. Òun ni wọ́n fi sọ fáwọn ọlọ́pàá wọn pé ó yá ẹ tẹ̀lé wọn. Commissioner of Police of Oyo State àwọn náà fún wọn ní support. According to report, wọ́n ní ọ̀gá DSS ìyẹn DG àwọn DSS àwọn náà fún wọn ní support. All because the president has given them instruction. The military àwọn náà fún wọn ní support. Yes sir, ẹ wá bá mi bí governor Oyo State pé kí ló dé? Òun lẹ máa fi rí wípé máa yóò ready láti rescue àwọn ọmọ yìí. Lóòótọ́ ẹ lè máa rò pé wọ́n ready. Mo ń sọ ọkọ fẹ́ nìkan. Mo ní governor Oyo State kàn ní simple face ni. Wọ́n ní smiling face, wọ́n ní gentle face. Ṣùgbọ́n máa yẹn burú. Máa yẹn burú. Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ gbogbo saga, political saga tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Oyo State of recent. Ẹ máa rí pé mo kàn mọ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí because kò kàn mí. My own is to just talk about how Nigeria will get better. Ṣé ń gbọ́rọ̀ tí màá yẹn sọ? Iṣẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa rescue àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n kidnap l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́. Ẹ láwọn unauthorized people kan wọ́n lọ ń threaten àwọn citizen àwọn aráàlú Ọ̀yọ́ State. Ẹ̀yin Ọ̀yọ́, ó dùn mí wípé ìgbà tí màá yí parí second term lẹ́tọ́ mọ̀ pé ẹ wọ pìtìpìtì. I swear to God who made me. Imagine lẹ́ni tó ń sáré wípé kí peace ìjọba nílùú ìlú. Ṣé ọba Sunday Igboho làwọn fẹ́ threaten wọn? Ṣé làwọn fẹ́ lé wọn kúrò ńdù ni? Wọ́n ní pé tẹ́ ẹ bá ready láti gbé pẹ̀lú wa lálàáfíà, àwa náà ready láti gbé pẹ̀lú yín lálàáfíà. Tí ò bá kí n ṣe pìtìpìtì tó ṣẹlẹ̀, ṣé ọba Sunday Igboho fẹ́ lọ sí òkè Ògùn láti lọ máa sọ fún àwọn Fúlàní tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kán ṣọ́ra wọn ni? Àbí kí ni gọ́vnà yìí ń sọ náà? Oh God Almighty, yes sir. Oh no, àwọn èèyàn trust yín ju gbogbo balabala tẹ̀ ń ṣe yìí lọ. Àwọn èèyàn expect ìwà tẹ̀ ń wù yìí sir, wọn expect ẹ̀ látọwọ́ yín. Tẹ́ bá ti wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí, a máa lejú. Ẹ máa lejú, àwọn èèyàn gan tí wọ́n wò pé gọ́vnà dáwọn èèyàn ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yín lọ́yọ̀ state, bó ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yín. Yes sir, ọ̀rọ̀ yín le o, ó ní agbára. Ṣé èèyàn ti wá rí ní ìsìn pé ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ yẹn, ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ yẹn, on God lọ̀rọ̀ wọn wà. I swear to God who made me. With this move, tí máa yí ń tẹ̀kì, àwọn tí wọ́n lọ rescue ní Kwara State gan, táwọn ọba Sunday Igboho lọ rescue, àwọn ọlọ́pàá gan acknowledge local securities, ìyẹn àwọn Iru Ekun, wípé àwọn náà support àwọn láti make mission yẹn wà successful. A dẹ̀ ń sọ fún yín, à ń pariwo fún yín pé tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ̀ pé ẹ fẹ́ rescue àwọn ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, you have to invite local security. Ó yá ẹ má rescue, ó yá ẹ má tiẹ̀ invite Iru Ekun, ẹ invite OPC. Ẹ má invite Iru Ekun mọ́, ẹ invite OPC pé ká wá support àwọn ọlọ́pàá láti rescue àwọn ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. Imagine this rubbish. See what this man is saying. Ṣé ẹ lè believe pé tó bá lọ jẹ́ wípé máa yìí ní power lórí commissioner of police Ọ̀yọ́ state, wọ́n máa ti fún màá yẹn ní order wípé you must not answer Sunday Igboho níwájú Ọlọ́run àti èèyàn. Ọlá pé IG fún commissioner of police ní order, ní commissioner of police ló fi bypass títí governor Ọ̀yọ́ state o. Àwa ní state police ò ní problem. Tá bá dá state police sílẹ̀, àwọn governor ẹ̀ náà máa kọ́kọ́ báyé state police jẹ́. Náà máa kọ́kọ́ báyé state police jẹ́. Ṣẹ́rí lẹ́ni tí president fún l'approval, táwọn sójà wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀, tọ́lọ́pàá àwọn kínà pé ọlọ́pàá wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀, DSS wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀, ló wá dogun fẹ́yìn. Yes sir. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, táwọn ọmọ yẹn bá jáde, ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ló wà o. Pẹ̀lú tí máa gbogbo yín lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ tí ara yín gbọ́ náà. Tẹ́ ẹ bá tiẹ̀ wá fẹ́ ru anything, ẹ ru ọlá àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké yẹn sà. Ẹ gbé politics tì, gbogbo tí máa yín ṣe politics náà ń play. Ẹ gbé politics tì kẹ́ ẹ ru ọlá àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tó wà nínú igbó yìí. Yes sir.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.